Okay guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin and crypto, give you guys an update what is happening right now with Bitcoin and altcoins. And okay, there is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts, even a altcoin charts, because we know guys, okay, alt season is about to begin at any moment. Okay, Bitcoin dominance will drop further down to the downside, which is going to be a huge signal for alt season. So understand guys, right? The large caps, even the low caps, they're going to skyrocket. Understand that. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, and like I said many times, right? If you simply want to make money in crypto, right, in the next few months during this bull run, you better get in now, because I am here to tell you guys this right now. Okay, in the next 6 months, 8 months, even 10 months will be amazing for altcoins, including Bitcoin, right? Understand that, guys. So before I show you guys these charts, let's go ahead and talk about what's happening right now with Bitcoin and altcoins. So Bitcoin right now, okay, just below $95,000, $94,800. Okay, so yeah, since clear to see, we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame. And yeah, Bitcoin is still not really moving. In fact, it's slightly dropped further down to the downside compared to where it was yesterday, just slightly. Okay, yesterday we saw it at about $97,000, and now it's dropped all the way. At one point, it dropped all the way as low as $93,500. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin right now, okay, just below $95,000, still holding up pretty well, okay, in my opinion, right? It really is. And I really do believe, okay, as I told you guys, right, this month, December, will be, a decent month, okay? Even though, yeah, right now it's not looking too good right now for Bitcoin. I get that, right? It's been dropping. Okay, we are facing some, pullbacks and, volatility and whatnot. Okay, and like I said, this is completely normal, guys. Okay, we have seen, when in doubt, if it goes to the weekly time frame, understand, when in doubt, zoom out, and you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is still completely fine. Understand, just last month, November, okay, when we had the US election, okay, we saw Bitcoin, and not just Bitcoin, also altcoins skyrocketing. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. So understand, okay, when in doubt, zoom out, and you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is still, on track, right? It really is. Okay. So the crypto market today, okay, we're not seeing huge movements today. Okay, past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down over 1%. Same with Ethereum. Okay, just below $3,300 right now. Great times right now to buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? It really is. For everyone out there that missed buying Bitcoin, right, when it was at 95K, everyone that was wishing to buy Bitcoin, below $100,000 when Bitcoin was, above 100K. Look at it now, right? It's just below $95,000. It's back down below 100K. This is a great opportunity right now to buy more Bitcoin if you really think about it, right? It really is, guys. So don't miss this opportunity, okay? Because I really do believe, okay, and I'm gonna say it again, and I've said this many times. Once we see Bitcoin reaching, 120, okay, 150 to 180 to 200K and over 300K, right? Because eventually, right, next year, 2025, Bitcoin will be reaching those levels. I don't think we will ever see Bitcoin back down below $100,000 ever again, right? I've said that many times, guys, and I really do believe, okay, it's going to happen. Okay, and it will happen, that we won't ever see Bitcoin back down below, 100K, right? Once it reaches those 200K levels, even those 300K levels and higher, right? I don't think we will ever see Bitcoin back down below $100,000. So yeah, Bitcoin right now is back down below 100K. So for all those people out there that were begging for a dip, begging for Bitcoin to go back down, below $100,000, look at it now, right? This is a great opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Okay, it really is. Now, altcoins today are not really moving. Okay, we're not seeing huge moves right now for altcoins. Altcoins, okay, some of them are down like 2%, 3%, 4%. Okay, some altcoins are moving. Okay, y'all can clearly see that, right? We are in fact seeing some greens, okay, for altcoins, but yeah, majority of alts, I want to say, are in fact in the reds, guys. Okay, so we're not seeing huge moves today. Overall, the market today is slightly down 0.78%. And look at this, right? Global crypto market cap today is slightly lower, right? Right now it's at 3.28 trillion. Yesterday was over 3.3 trillion, but now it's below that. Okay, now look at this, guys. The Fin Greed Index is still in greed mode. Okay, even though yes, Bitcoin has been dropping, the crypto market has been dropping, we're still in greed mode, right? The sentiment hasn't really been changing, even though yes, okay, last week we were in fact in extreme greed, even last month in extreme greed at 93 good times, right, in November. But yeah, right now it's in greed mode, and who knows, right? If we do see Bitcoin dropping further down to the downside, and of course the crypto market, other altcoins dropping, then of course this is most likely gonna hit the neutral side, right? The sentiment will change. Okay, but so far we are still in greed mode, guys. Now remember, guys, okay, alt season, okay, is about to start, okay, in the next few days, because you just clearly see the Bitcoin dominance will drop further down to the downside, and you guys can clearly see from this chart what this is showing us here is that last Christmas, so actually back in 2021, okay, 2021 Christmas, okay, you guys just clearly see how much Bitcoin dominance did drop, and it seems like, okay, we're gonna see the exact same thing for this year, right? 2024 for Christmas, okay. So it's gonna be some fantastic time, guys. Okay, some really really fantastic times for altcoins. So understand, guys, alt season is about to literally start at any moment, guys, and I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, we are focusing a breakdown right now for the Bitcoin dominance, so this is a huge signal that alt season is about to begin at any given moment. Okay, so be ready for that, guys. Okay, now this is what I really wanted to talk about for today's video, because this is obviously very very bullish for Bitcoin. Okay, so apparently the UAE is reported to hold $40 billion worth of Bitcoin, right? So yeah, UAE holding $40 billion worth of Bitcoin. Is this a rumor or is this the truth? Now, honestly, I have no idea if this is actually true, but why would it be a rumor, right? Because we know, guys, okay, the UAE, okay, is the most Bitcoin friendly country out there, right? We know that, guys. Okay, like literally Dubai, okay, everyone that's a Bitcoiner, everyone that's in the crypto space, everyone, okay, is moving to Dubai. Okay, and of course it's for one main reason. My guess is for one main reason. It's tax free there. Okay, it's literally the best place to live, guys. If you guys are Bitcoiners, or if you guys are just generally, in the crypto space. Okay, like Dubai is truly the place to be, guys, if you guys are in fact in the crypto space. Like I said, okay, a lot of crypto millionaires, even billionaires, right, in general, crypto investors, even traders are all moving to the UAE, right, in Dubai. Okay, because it just makes sense. Okay, it's tax free there. Okay, no capital gains tax or anything like that. So all the money that you make with Bitcoin, right, with your trades in crypto, it's completely tax free, right? Which is absolutely amazing. It's just freedom there, right? And obviously, there's a lot of crypto conferences there. Like it just totally makes sense, right, to move to the UAE. So I don't know why. Okay, it is a rumor that apparently the UAE is holding $40 billion worth of Bitcoin. I don't know why this will be a rumor. Like I wouldn't be surprised if they are holding $40 billion worth of Bitcoin. I don't think it is a rumor. I think they truly are, guys, because like I said, okay, the UAE is truly Bitcoin friendly, right? It really, really is, guys. And that's why personally, like when I grow up, guys, okay, maybe in the next few years, I am planning on moving to Dubai. I really want to move to Dubai. It just makes sense, guys, because I am all in on Bitcoin. Like my net worth is literally just in Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins. But of course, guys, like I told you guys many times, when I'm investing into crypto, okay, I just stick with the basics because I'm here for long term. Okay, I just really simply invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Bitcoin, right? And I know I can use my Bitcoins, right, to pay for things in Dubai. I can buy real estate, okay, with my Bitcoins in Dubai. I can buy supercars there, like exotic cars, right? I can buy watches, right? I can do a lot of things with my Bitcoins. I can even book a Emirates flight with my Bitcoins, right? Like it's amazing. So it just totally makes sense why a lot of crypto investors, even traders, right, are moving to the UAE. It just makes sense, right? It really, really does, guys. So yeah, in the future, guys, I am I'm telling you this right now, I am 100% going to be moving to the UAE. Okay, and right now I'm currently in Australia, but that's going to change, right? And in Australia, guys, like the tax here is ridiculous. Like a lot of other countries out there, it's ridiculous. So that's why you guys see a lot of crypto people that are in fact in the crypto space. They're moving to, low tax countries like the UAE. Okay, and obviously there's other countries out there that you can move to, like I don't know, El Salvador, Singapore, Malaysia, I believe. Okay, and they're just simply taking their profits with crypto there. But I believe you got to become like a citizen and whatnot, so it does make sense, right? You can't just take your profits at a low tax country, just move back, right? You can't like simply just do that. That's not how it works. But yeah, in the future, guys, I am for sure going to be moving to the UAE, right? 100%. So that is that. Moving on, getting to these charts, starting off with this one. Okay, huge pump is coming for Bitcoin, right? Huge pump is coming for Bitcoin, guys. Understand that we saw a tiny pump, okay, last month in November when we had the US election. This was a tiny pump. Understand that, guys. We haven't seen anything yet. A huge pump is coming. We're going to see Bitcoin reaching 150, 180 to eventually $200,000 and higher. Just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. Okay, Bitcoin is going to continue to reach newer highs. Okay, a high. So be ready for that, right? For all my Bitcoin holders out there, we understand where Bitcoin is heading next year, 2025. And it's about to be the New Year's, guys, right? It's about to be, a new year, 2025. So be pumped for that because obviously this is your year, okay, to truly turn your life around, right? To make that money with Bitcoin and altcoins, right? Especially altcoins, because we can make a lot of money with altcoins, right? You can easily 10x, 20x, 50x, even 100x, even 1000x, right? But you just gotta simply know what you're doing, right? So get ready for that. Now, look at this, guys, okay? Bitcoin can still hit $110,000 before the end of this year. Okay, and if you guys look at the date right now, we're right now currently in 23. Most likely it's 22 for a lot of you guys that are watching this video right now. Okay, but when this video goes out, it's going to be the 23rd. Okay, and we still have just over a week, okay, left. Pretty much 8 days, right, left into December. Okay, so we still have just over a week, okay, pretty much 8 days left into this month of December. So in 8 days, can we see Bitcoin reaching back up to its previous highs of $108,000, even reaching a new high of $110,000? Is that possible? Well, you guys can clearly see so far we're in the reds. Okay, it's slightly down, almost 1% right now. So right now it's not looking too good. But like I said, things can change. Bitcoin, guys, okay, it can move like crazy, especially short term. I don't know if you guys remember. I'm pretty sure you guys, we all remember this, right? Just last month when we had the US election, we saw Bitcoin reaching a new high. Okay, it went from, $73 to $74,000 reaching a new high, and then it just continues $75 to $76,000. And then the next day, it jumped to like $79,000, and then the next day it went to like $81 to $82,000. It just kept going, right? Like during that week, guys, of the US election, I felt like Bitcoin was reaching a new high every single day. I literally felt like, I've said this in the past, it felt like Bitcoin went from $70,000 all the way to over $90,000. Like we literally just skipped through those 80K levels. That's truly what it felt like. You guys realize that, right? Like it felt like truly Bitcoin just jumped to like $74,000 all the way to like, $95,000 and higher. Like we just literally skipped through those 80K levels like it was nothing. Like literally, we skipped through those 80K levels. That's what it felt like, guys. Right? So Bitcoin can move in a short time period, right? It can, guys. It can move like crazy. So we still have over a week, just over a week left, okay, into this month of December. It is possible that Bitcoin can reach back up to 100K, even back up to its previous highs, even, okay, reaching $110,000, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here, right? The Fibonacci retracement levels, you guys can clearly see the next target is $110,000. Will we see Bitcoin reaching at least 110K, okay, bringing it to a new all-time high before this year ends? We will just have to see. I think it's possible. Okay, I really do believe it is very, very possible, guys, that we do see Bitcoin reaching at least $110,000 before this year ends. I think that is very, very possible. So let me know, guys, in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's possible? Let me know. I'd love to know. Personally, I think it's very, very possible. Bitcoin has a very, very good chance to at least reach back up to its previous all-time high, even reaching a new high of $110,000 before we enter, the New Year's. Okay, but yeah, looking at this chart, guys. Okay, the Bitcoin bull run is beginning, right? It's just beginning, guys. Okay, we know Bitcoin had this tiny pump. Okay, just last month, November, with the US election. Okay, that was amazing. But understand, we still have pretty much, the entire year of 2025 to see Bitcoin run up. Okay, so understand this is truly just the beginning of the bull run. We're going to see Bitcoin reaching, like I said, 150, 180 to 200K to 250 to 280 to 300K and higher, even 400K, maybe even $500,000. Very, very possible, guys. So like I said many times, get ready for the year 2025 because the bull run is about to begin. This is truly just the beginning, guys. Okay, understand that. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. I will keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin and crypto, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.